Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, today's our topic is sequence. This topic is on page number 18, book 3A. Page number 18, 3A. Before start our question, I want to tell you what is sequence. Sequence is a jumble of numbers which have a same common difference. एक ऐसी तरतीब जिसके अंदर तमाम के तमाम नंबर एक ख़ास फ़र्क के साथ जो है वो रिपीट होते हैं, आगे चलते जाते हैं, चाहे वो इंक्रीजिंग है चाहे वो डिक्रीजिंग है. All those numbers which follow a number difference, either it is increasing or decreasing, this is called sequence, like 10, 16, 22, 28 up to so on. 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 6, 28. You can see that every time I'm adding 6 to find out the upcoming number. So this is a sequence because this is following the sequence of the rule of addition of 6 in every previous number to find out the next. So let's do the question number 1 on page number 18, A part. 1264. Question number 1. 1268, 1272, 1276, 1280, and then two blanks. 1 2 1 2, both two digits are same. In every number you can see that. Next two are, this is 64, this is 68, 72, 76 and 80. So what will the next number after 1280? If you see that 64 and 68, there is a difference of 4 numbers, 65, 66, 67 and 68. So after adding 4, I have got the next number. This is 1268. Then when I add 4 in 1268, this is 72. Then again 4, 76. Again 4. This is 1280. And after adding 4 in 1280, this is 1284. And last number of this sequence is 1288. This is how to do these questions. This is A part of question number 1. Now I'm going to solve part D for you. The first number of part D is 3176, then 3180, then 3184, 3188, 3192, and then two blanks. Once again you will notice that first two digits of each number is 31. This means that in upcoming two numbers the first two digits will always remain the same. This is 31, then last two digits of each number 76, 80, 84, 88, 92. If you see that 76 and 80, there is a difference of 4 numbers because 80 minus 76 is 4. So to find out the next number, I will add 4 in the previous one like this. 3176 plus 4 equals to 3180. Then again plus 4, 84. Then again plus 4, 88. Then 92. After that, this is 3190 2 plus 4, 31, 96, and then 4, this is 3200. This is part D. The last part I'm going to solve for you is H part of this question. 7188, then 7191, then 7194, then 7197, then 7200, then 2 blanks. In this sequence, and the last 2 digits are 88, 91, 94, 97, and then 7200. 88 plus 3, 91. So in this I have to add 3 in each term to find out the next. Plus 3, then to find out next it's 7200 plus 3. This is 7203 and then 7206. This is how to solve these sequences. This is question number 1 on page number 18, book 3A Macmillan. Okay, next, coming to the next page, question number 2. Page 19, question number 2. Write each in sequence has been jumbled up. Write each sequence in order starting with smallest. Starting with smallest. First is A part, 480, then 478, then 468, 474, 472, 470, and the last one is 476. Okay, according to question we have to arrange in a sequence starting with the smallest. First digit of every number is 4, which is same. This is 80, 78, 68, 74, 72, 70 and 76. According to mathematics, the smallest number is 68, this one. This is first number. So our sequence will start from 468, then 68, after 68 this is 70, this is second. Next one is 470. After 470 it's 72 on third place. 472. Then after 472 it's fourth place of 474. Then after 474 this is fifth place of 476. Then after 76, 78 of sixth position, and the last at the sixth position, seventh position, sorry, is 480. This is how to arrange the sequence in an ascending order. Ascending means from smallest to largest. So according to the given sequence, the smallest number is 468 and the largest number is 480. Starting from 468, it's 470, 472, 474, 476, 478 and last one is 480. This is how to arrange our sequence ascendingly. This is on page number 19. Two parts are remaining. These are for you. You have to solve by yourself on your book or copy. Page number 18. Question number 1 on book, and page number 19, question number 2 on rough copy. This is your homework. Now moving forward, on page number 20, the topic is function machines. Function machines. Function machines, this means a number with any operation is given to you in the machine, you have to find out the remaining accordingly. So A part is multiply by 3. This one is your inside and this one is your outside. The table is given to you. In, out. One, two, three, 4 and 5. One result is given to you, 3. When 1 will come at this input side, this will pass from this function, 3 ones are 3, the out one is 3. When 2 will come, this will pass from this function, 2 3 the 6, your next output is 6. For 2 I have got 6. When 3 will come here, 3 into 3 it's 9, your next output is 9, this is against the number 3. Next 4, 4 into 3 it's 12, against one number 4, and the last digit is 5, 5 into 3 it's 15. 5 3 are 15, which is against the number 5. This is how to do the sums of the function machines. This is A part of this. This is the single function machine. Now let's do an example which have double function. Now I am going to solve part C for you. C part. The first function in this function machine is multiply by 2 and the second function is plus 3. This is your inside and this is your outside. Again table is given. in, out. One, two, three, 4 and 5. When number 1 will come here, first of all this will pass from multiplying box. This is multiplier and this is adder. 1 into 2, it's 2. When it will come outside, this is 2, and when enter in this box, plus 3, 2 plus 3, the first outcome is 5. Again number 1. Second number is 2. When 2 will enter in this box, 2 to the 4, the first, after first operation, the number will 4. 4 will enter in the adder, 4 plus 3, 7. So the next number against number 2 is 7. Then 3. 3 to the 6. After multiplying, it becomes 6. 6 will add in the addition box. 6 plus 3, 9. The third output is 9 against the number 3. Then number 4. 4 into 2, it's 8. 8 plus 3, 11 against number 4. And the last one is 5. 5 into 2, it's 10. After multiplying, 10 plus 3 is 13 against number 5. This is how to solve the double function machines. After watching this video, I hope you will understand how to solve the double operation function machines. This is page number 19 of 3A. Now moving on page number 22. Here some shapes are given. And a table is given. First column is for dots, and second column is for lines. When number dot is 1, in the first figure, there is 1 dot and against 1 dot there are 1, 2, 3 lines. Then 2 dots in this figure and number of lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the last figure, there are 3 dots and the number of lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines are given. A part I have solved for you, and remaining 3 parts you have to solve by yourself on your book. This is on page number 22, book 3A. Now homework time. Page number 20. Question number 1 on book, and page number 22. Question number 1 on book. Dear students, I hope after watching this video you will able to solve the patterns, how to find out the upcoming terms in the pattern, arrangement, how to arrange the pattern starting with the smallest number, and how to solve the single function machine, how to solve the double function machine, and how to find out the number of lines and dots that are given in the question. So keep working. Wish you good luck. Thank you.